Hey guys, I have a fun tutorial for you today that will teach you how to make a braided pattern using loops. Before we get started, I quickly want to remind you that I wrote a book and it is available for pre-order now. Please see the description for details on my book and how to pre-order. Thanks again so much for your support. Okay, let's get started on today's tutorial. For your setup, cut 4 pieces of natural string and 4 pieces of speckled navy string, or another 2 colors of your choice. Each piece is 2 meters long. Please note that I had extra string left over underneath the pattern once finished. Using the 5th and 6th chords from the left side of your work, bring them in front of the 4 chords on the left, around to the back, and then through the loop. Repeat this pattern along your work. Tension is key with this pattern. You will have to adjust as you go to ensure that your design is straight. Use the same method to create this pattern moving from right to left. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.